Henan Mine Intelligent Constant Frame Robot. The horizontal frame robot is mainly composed of a row and beam, walking motor slide rail main beam, sliding robot arm sliding motor cable drive chain, lifting motor lifting manipulator, rotary manipulator and other parts. Intelligent scanning of 3D imaging and memory of scan results. Horizontal frame robot according to system instructions. Automatic attitude adjustment. Intelligent planning path. 3D scanning and positioning according to the system. Precise grasping of workpieces. The robot has an anti-release design. Automatic path planning for horizontal frame robot. Accurate feeding of idle machines. Intelligent avoidance of obstacles during operation. According to system instructions, automatically go to the process station. Precise extraction of finished workpieces. And based on the 3D scan results of memory, intelligent code placement of finished parts. Intelligent horizontal frame robot independently developed by Henan Mine. It has been produced, installed, and put into use. A robot can serve multiple CNC machining centers simultaneously. Intelligent horizontal frame robot can be matched with a variety of automated fishing tackle, suitable for a variety of working conditions in different industries.